Hi guys, today's class we are going to see some effects, like you can just see this effect, how it is. This is basically an effect what you see on the currency. When you carefully observe, you can just see these dots, and this is called the engrave effect. So this I am going to just show you with a different image. Okay, let me select this. So this image, I have selected this. Now what I do is I just make a small effect, like select this, engrave. To engrave this I need to have this effect. So I select like this. Before doing this I just want a feather 45. I just want to do this much and rotate it and just copy it and paste it in that particular place. Go to Windows and click on layers, like a image of this, and I just want to delete this part. Fit this. Okay, fine. Now next what I do is I just want to go to image, see the quality of this image. The better the quality is okay, so I just download it from the net. So here I'll just go to image. The first thing is I'll go to image. You can just see only one layer. Go to image size. Go to image size, and here what you do is you change that to pixels and change the image size to say around 2000 pixels, and change this to 150 dpi, and change the resample this to enlargement, preserve detail, and click on OK. Now if you want to sharpen it or do anything, you can just do it now itself. So you can just sharpen it slighter. So sharpen the image slightly so that the quality is okay. Now next what you do is go to adjustment layer and click on black and white. So now this becomes black and white. And now next what you do is once you finish this black and white, press both the layers and click on convert to smart object. Once you convert that to a smart object, then click on a new layer. Click on a new layer, and to this what you do is press shift to press F5 so that you get the fill option, the shortcut. So you get the grayscale, 50% grayscale, and click on OK. Now once you click on OK, then convert this to a smart object. You convert this to a smart object. Make sure here, can you see here in this black and white is exact. Now black is the foreground and white is a background layer. Make sure this is in this position. Now next what you do is go to filter gallery, and you can just see the filter gallery. The filter type is here, okay. And now next what you do is you just move it like this, keep it over here, and next what you do is You can just see two layers which I have already done it. So let us select this half tone pattern, and you keep the half tone pattern, the size to say around 4 and the contrast to around 0. The next exercise I'll show you how to use the line. If you want dot, I'm just going to use dot now and click on OK. Now next is you click on another one layer. This layer, what you do is you just click on tone pattern and tone edges, and in this you keep the image to 25, 11 and the contrast you keep to 1. Once this is over, click on OK. Now you get the pattern here like this. You can just see the pattern. And now go to filter, distort and click on twill. Say keep it to 100, maybe 100, yes, 100, and click on OK. You get a pattern like this. Now next what you do is go to the layer mode and next click on hard mix. Click on hard mix. Then go to image again. Go to image size. Change that to percentage now. Change that to 200. Click on OK. Now this has become big. Click on fit to the screen. Once you click fit to the screen, then go to the sub object. Go to the sub object, that is the layer where you have this image down. Okay, the subject, sub object means subject layer. Okay, so now go to image, adjust and click on shadow and highlight. Keep the percentage. You can adjust the percentage. You can adjust the value. That again depends on the image. Okay, so adjust the value till everything is clear. And once everything is okay, can you see here? Radius. This is the radius and click on. Once you finish up this, go to the top layer. Next, go to adjustment layer. Click on solid color and select some color, like each color will have its number. I'm going to select orange. Okay, this orange. So this orange will be represented by E3850B. Okay, you can keep it any color, but for the currency note it is OE3D00. That's your choice. You can just select whichever color you want. Click on OK, and then the final one is go to layer blend mode and click on screen. Okay, click on screen. You can just see this image how it is. You can adjust the brightness or the contrast of the image if you wish. but don't disturb it. So when you're going for print, it will become dark if you want to print. Okay, so that's it for this image. Okay, I'll just show you another one image where I just close this. So please see how the layer setup is. Okay, make sure it's in this setup, and only the change what we are going to do is we are going to change in the filter gallery. Okay, the filter gallery we are going to change it, and we are going to change the image also. The same thing, same effect,